Here you can see Mindy eating cicadas. So the capture was so quick that you couldn't get it on camera. But you can see here she is. And I'll do lighting from different angles on the top. You can see how cool she looks. But yeah, you can definitely see where the wings are and everything. And she's not really a photosensitive spider. The cicadas look big until, of course, until you can see the spider, until you see how big the spider is. And that's the water dish by way of comparison. So, and she's not even fully grown yet. So this is interesting. Anyway, here we go.